is my problem area up here. I cannot get this part to get flat. It's so... Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Simmarie, and I'm back with another video. And today I will be using my at-home cavitation machine. Yes, I went ahead and bought me one, because if you watch my other videos, it explains why I bought one. I bought one because I went to this place, a very nice place, very clean place, and I paid $125 for cavitation, but I did not get cavitation. I received skin tightening, which is a lower price, but anywho, you have to watch that video to see what happened to me. I was a little upset, but I'm over that now. I'm moving forward. Talk about my own off Amazon for $235. Okay, I'm gonna start off by saying that I've been pregnant 5 times. I've had 4 C-sections. So my body has been through a lot. Yes, 4 C-sections, sis. 4. My body has been through an extreme, a lot. You know, I gotta work on this. And I have like this little thing right here is a monster. It's a monster. She don't want to go nowhere. She is just taking over. And see, I got to get rid of that. I don't like this little thing right here. So I bought my own machine so that I can keep doing sessions. Instead of paying $125 for each session, I paid $235 for the machine, and I can session away. But it's still rules to it. You only can do it maybe twice a week for 30 minutes. You can't overdo it. You have to do 30 minutes, a total of 30 minutes, and then you have to wait, say, at least 3 days for your body to, you know, get everything where it needs to get and get to go out the body. So you can't abuse it just because you have it at home. You don't want to mess up your organs or whatever it is that it does wrong when you use them more. So anywho, you have to drink water. It says that you need to drink some water before you do your cavitation. So I'm gonna start drinking this. Whew, I love water. So I have used the machine twice. It didn't come with instructions, so I've been watching YouTube videos to see how other ladies have been doing theirs. And to be honest with you, I don't think I really seen a difference yet, because I don't think I'm doing it correctly. I think the issue that's really not, working for me is because I bought a gel, and I cannot find that gel because I just threw it. I bought a gel. I put the gel on my stomach. And then when I put the machine on it, it felt weird. Like it was like shocking me. So I was like, oh, I'm not using the gel. So I just used the dry. And that could be the reason why it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So today I'm going to be showing you how I use it without the gel, because that gel shocked me. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and set the machine up so I can show you how I use the cavitation machine at home. Okay, so the light in my room is not working. It's not good. Like the lighting, the natural light is not good in my room. So I turned my lamp on because I want to show y'all the machine. If you haven't seen the machine before, this is the machine. I have to nail it down. I haven't nailed it down yet, but this is the machine. This is the cavitation one, and it's heavy too. This is the actual machine itself. This is supposed to be for like, I guess like here, because I want this gone, this double chin. And this here is the skin tightening one. This is the one, and I do need skin tightening on my stomach because I've been pregnant so many times. Well, actually, I get so big when I'm pregnant, so the skin is just like a little loose. So after I do the cavitation, then I go in with this. So this is the machine. I got it off Amazon for $235. It came within 2 days with Prime. Press the little button. I still had a tape on it. Okay, let me press the little button. She should come on. Okay. She's on. And then it has the Cavitation 40K. And then the FR thing. And today we're going to be using the Cavitation. Once you press the Cavitation, and then it gives you different modes. The mode is how this thing works, if it goes slow or if it goes fast, fast, fast. And then this timer's already set for 30 minutes. And then this is like the intensity level of it. And then you press start and then it gets to work. Like it's moving now, I'm not even using it. See how it's doing? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and set myself up. I'm gonna put it on my bed because I don't have a stand for it yet. Cause you know, I only used it twice, so I haven't really like done nothing with it yet. Like got it all set up all cute and dandy. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up on my bed, and then I'm gonna put it on my stomach and show you how it works. So normally I will be laying down, but I'm gonna show y'all this. Like see, right here, this skin, like it's just skin. It's not really, it's fat mixed in there, but it's really like just skin. Like, so the skin tightening treatment is gonna work very well for it. But I'm just gonna show y'all how I use the machine. Normally you're supposed to put the gel on, and I bought the gel off Amazon. It was like an ultrasonic gel, but it does not work good. It was like shocking me. I don't know what I need to do, so I'll see what I need to do with that. But anyways, so I have, this is the Cavitation one. I'm turning it on now. I'm using it on mode D because it goes fast. I like that it goes fast. And I'm pressing start. And you may hear the sound or you may not, but then you just take it. I can hear it ringing in my ears real good. Like, this is my problem area up here. I cannot get this part to get flat. It's so high. I hope y'all cannot hear my kids. My kids are so loud right now. Oh my God. And I said I'm recording and they're so loud. So hopefully they're not too loud. Because they be in our head right now. So yeah, this is how I do mine. You're supposed to like go in circles. Like this. And this is definitely my problematic area. Like this top right here be so like big. Like I've the videos, they go from this side and in, this end, this end, this end, all this little skin. But you know what? We're gonna work on it. This is me being a mom. This is from being a mom, bringing beautiful, wonderful, smart, intelligent kids into the world. So you know what? I'll take that. I'll take this. I do want it down a little bit though, because summer's coming up and I want to be fizzying. Okay. See right here, like a little pocket right here. Yeah, right here. You know, I'm gonna lay down. I can reach it better, and I got like a little side fat over here. You just use it. Do. Okay. This right here is my area right here. I'm gonna hold it there. Get down there. Penetrate. Get it. Get it. Yeah. All right. So it's supposed to go longer than that, but I'm just gonna stop it so I can show y'all the other, the skin tightening one. Now this skin tightening one, you have to keep moving with this one. This one hurt. This skin tightening one, you have to move with this one, because if you don't, it stings, burns, or whatever. So I'm gonna put it on multipolar. I'm gonna put it on D. And I'm not turning this one up high. This one hurt. This one hurt. And you gotta keep it moving, because if you don't, it's like stings. This is a skin tightener. This is supposed to be tightening up the skin, but you have to keep it going, moving. You have to keep it moving. So we're gonna keep it moving. This area right here is what I know is what I needed to work on. See how the light's red in it? And I can hear it, but you got to keep this thing moving. Flubber be gone. Loose skin be gone. We getting it gone. We getting it gone. Look at this. This part right here. Let me stay right here for a minute. Y'all, I'm being so honest and transparent with y'all. Showing y'all my stomach that I do not like showing anybody, because it's not like it was back in the day. But, you know, I'm a mother, and hey, it is what it is. Now I had the kids, I had my kids, I brought my kids into this world, and now I can focus on me again and get my body back together. Because it's, I mean, it's not, I ain't gonna say it's not hard to get it back together, because you go so many years of not, you know, doing or whatever, and then once you start back, it take a little time, but you'll get it together. Just don't give up, keep going, and keep doing it for yourself, because you want to be healthy and live a long time for your kids, so you can see your grandkids, your great-grandkids, all your kids graduate, and you want to be in shape. You want to be able to get down on the floor with your grandkids and, you know, and your kids, and, you know, do the little TikTok dance, baby. You want to be able to do all that. So you have to keep yourself together. That's important. Look at me doing this skin tightening. I need to work on this double chin. That's what I need to work on. This double chin is taking over my life. And it snuck up on me. It snuck up, but baby, it won't sneak away. That thing said, baby, I'm here. I don't really too much like messing around with my face too much, but I will. I might try that little one, this one, if it'll come off on my face. I don't know. But yeah, this is what I just wanted to show you, how the machine works. So after the treatment, I'm gonna drink a little water. You're supposed to drink water after the treatment, before the treatment, and after the treatment. You're supposed to drink water. So I just drank that. And since I did not use the ultrasonic gel, I got some Hot Body Slimming Cream. I got offline from Hot Shapers. And so then after that, after the treatment, I just take this, I just put some on my hands, and then I rub it on my stomach. And then I get my Keisha Kayor waist eraser. I bought this thing years ago, and I still use it. It was $100, and I have gotten my use out of it and still get my use out of it. So after that, I take this, put this on, put this on like this. Then I put my waist eraser on, and then I wear it for about an hour, sometimes longer if I don't be thinking about it. So I'm really watching a movie or something, and I just wear it, and then that's how I do it. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I tried to be as transparent as I could, because that's what I like. When I click on a video, I want to get information. I don't want to waste no time. So I hope that you got a little information. Why my breasts look like they hanging down to the floor today? I got a problem with that. Anyway, my bra not tight enough. Something going on. My breasts like they down here. But baby, please don't. I'm stop playing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your mama, your sister, your auntie, your best friend, your homegirl about me. Tell them to come over and join the crew. The crew. Until next time, your girl, Sam Marie, is out. Ow!